Well, hi. I'm so glad you decided to come back and visit me here on my kitchen, Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Well, I did a poll a little while ago asking which food product would you like to learn more about? And the tribes have spoken, and the winning food product is A&W root beer. So I'm going to be using this root beer and making an A&W root beer float frozen pie. Come and watch me now. A&W root beer and its restaurant began in 1919. It's actually older than sliced bread. It is the oldest chain restaurant in America that's still in operation today. They just celebrated their 100-year anniversary a couple years ago. We need to start with 3/4 cup of A&W root beer. A&W was started by Roy, Allen, and Frank Wright in Lodi, California. 1/2 cup of milk and some instant vanilla pudding. And now I whisk it for 2 minutes. August 6th is National Root Beer Float Day, and A&W gives out free root beer. It's getting thick. I'm gonna fold in 1/2 container of frozen whipped topping that's been thawed and mix it in there. In every restaurant, the root beer is made fresh. That's why it tastes so good. Around the world in A&W restaurants, people drink over 1 million gallons of root beer a year. Spread that into a graham cracker crust. I'm gonna spread the rest of that whipped cream on top of that. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about 8 hours to overnight. In the 1960s, the Burger family mascots came out. It would be so nice to know what they looked like. Well, let me introduce you to the Burger family. This is Teen Burger. Woo! Here's Baby Burger. And this big guy is Daddy Burger. Mama Burger would be right here, but sadly, Mama Burger's closed for repair. But I'll show you what Mama Burger looks like now. Well, here it is, the frozen root beer float pie. Whoa, I'm tasting it now. Very exciting. I do love root beer. But let's see how it is in pie form. I taste the root beer. It shines in this pie. And it works in a frozen form. I bet you can do this kind of pie with any type of soda you love. Like a Dr. Pepper frozen pie would be kind of cool. Or Mountain Dew, cream soda. So many options. Well, it's another good one for the books. Thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It's always a pleasure having you join me. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Or if you want to see my videos all the time, ding that bell. Thank you so much. Bye! I poured my root beer into a square glass. Now I just have beer. Mathematician joke.